So I'm gonna talk to you about accountability partners. Accountability partners is people who are like-minded like you, that you meet at these conferences or you do these mentorships, and people y'all grabbing the same information, y'all grabbing the same plays, and y'all running with it. Your friends, they ain't take the class. They didn't take the mentorship. They don't want to hear about that shit you talking about, unfortunately. So you gotta find friends that's thinking about the same things you thinking about. So like I was saying, I was talking to my wife about how I've been using my American Express to buy everything, right? Everything. I don't use my debit card no more. 2 weeks, I done ran up over $5,000 in charges. I paid them back, right? Check my reward points. I got 70,000 reward points. The way the reward points work is every 5,000 reward points you have equals up to $50. So I did the math. I got $700 in reward points. I can use that money to, one, pay off the credit card bill, or I can fly with Delta for free, book hotels and other things with those reward points. So I looked up online yesterday to see what it cost for me to stay at the, I think it was the Hyatt. It was one of the top tier hotels in Atlanta, because I might be going down there on a business trip pretty soon. And I wanted to see if I could take this trip for free. If me and my wife go on this trip, all we got to pay is $300, is round trip covered, and a hotel for the whole weekend in Atlanta, off the reward points, Slim. I don't get rewarded for spending my debit card. When I go in there and take my ATM card and go in the grocery store, I get no reward. But if I take my damn Amex card in there, swipe it up, then go ahead and pay that thing off, I get rewarded. Why not use the rewards points? Get your credit right, man. Get this ebook. Swipe up. Let's go.